Okay, children. So we will discuss today motion lesson numericals. So what are the main formulas of motion lesson? Children, we have first two equation of motion. V is equal to
is
U
equal
plus
to U
C.
plus 80. S
Second
is equal
equation of motion is S is equal to
to UT plus half 80 square. U square
and
plus
S square minus U square is equal to
is equal to
2
2S.
J's. That's all, children. Only these three formulas we have. Basing on these three formulas only we will do where U is initial
Initial velocity, V is final velocity, S is distance,
V
E is
is
time,
final velocity,
acceleration.
S is
Distance.
placement of distance, A is
Acceleration.
whenever body is starting from rest with initial
U
velocity
is equal to 0.
0.
Zero.
Body starting from rest with initial velocity 0. Coming to rest with
V is equal to 0.
V is equal to
final
0.
velocity is 0. How to convert kmph to meter per second?
Into 5 by
Into
18.
5 by 18.
Kmph to meter per second is into 5 by 18. And meter per second to kmph?
Into 18 by 5.
18 by 5.
That's all, children. If you can remember this, you can do any numerical in this lesson. Today I'm going to discuss some 20-30 numericals, children, all of the kind of operation. The first numerical, convert 18 meters per second to kmph.
Sir, 5 kmph.
18 into meters per second to kmph. 18 into 18 by 5. 18 into 18 by 5. I'm telling meters per second to kmph, not kmph to meter per
Okay,
second.
sir.
We should be very, very careful. 18, 18 is 324 by 5. 5 6 is 30. 5 4 is 20. 64.5, 64.8 kmph. 64.8 kmph. Okay, children, be careful. Whenever I'm asking any question, please be careful. Second question. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field. Children, there is a square field. This is a square field. A farmer moves around the boundary of a square field of 10 meters. Okay, for one rotation, like this, for one rotation, he is taking 10 seconds. For one rotation, he is taking 40 seconds. Please listen, children, everyone, 40 seconds. What will be the displacement of the farmer at the end of what is the distance and displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? This is the question. 2 minutes means how many seconds, children? 2 minutes means 120. 120 plus 20?
140 seconds, sir.
140 seconds. In 140 seconds, how much distance he is going? Let us see, children, in 140 seconds. Please see here, children. This is taking how many seconds? 40.
40, sir.
Second time?
80.
80. Third time?
120.
120.
After 20, he will be here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. So, of this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. After 140 seconds, he will be at point C. He will be at point C. Can anyone tell distance? Distance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once. 2, 3. 3.5 times here.
40 seconds. 140 meters.
Children. 40, 80, 120,
20.
140, sir.
2.5, no? 2.5. 40, 80, 100. 100 meters. He will go 100 meters. Try to understand, children. You people are not concentrating. See, children. One rotation, 40 minutes, 40 seconds. Two rotation, 80 seconds. 80 seconds. Acha, 140 seconds, no?
Yes, sir. 140, sir. 140 meters.
Yeah, three rotations, 120.
120, then 20. 140 meters, sir.
So it will take 140 meters. Children, 40, 80, 120, 130, 140, 140 meters. What is the displacement, children? A to C is the displacement.
The shortest distance.
Sir, 100,
Shortest
sir.
distance. So this is 10. This is 10. Pythagoras theorem.
10 square plus 10 square is equal to x square.
10 is this will be 10 root 2. 2 means this is 2 root 2. 3 means this is 3 root 2. 4 means 4 root 2. 10 means 10 root 2. So 10 into 1.414, that is 14.14 meters is the net displacement. Displacement means what, children? Shortest distance. Displacement what means, children? Shortest distance between initial and final point. Shortest distance between initial and final points. Hope you all are copying, children. Third set. An electric engine has a velocity of 120 km/h. Electric engine is moving with a speed of, children, with a speed of 120 km/h. Electric engine is moving with a speed of 120 km/h. How much distance will it cover in 30 seconds? How much distance will it cover in 30 seconds? Distance is equal to speed into time. I'm sorry, children. Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. How much is the speed, children? Anyone?
120.
How much is the speed, children? 120 kmph. Kmph to meter per second.
5 by 8.
5 by 18.
Yeah, kmph to meter per second into 5 by 18. And time is how much, children? Time is how much? 30 seconds.
30.
You have to concentrate, children, everyone. 6, 3, 6, 6, 2, 2, 5, 10. 1000 meters it travels in 30 seconds. 1000 meters means 1 kilometer it travels in 30 seconds. 1 kilometer in 30 seconds. Okay, children, next one. Fourth question. A satellite while revolving around the Earth completes one revolution in 1 hour. Satellite for one revolution it is taking 1 hour. For one revolution it is taking 1 hour and 30 minutes. 1 hour and 30 minutes. For one rotation around the Earth, satellite is taking 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. What is the speed of the satellite? What is speed? Speed is what, children? Formula, anyone? Speed is equal to
Distance.
QT plus half AT square.
distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Children, speed is equal to distance by time. Try to understand, children. Speed is equal to distance by time. Okay. So, but he is asking angular velocity, children. Angular velocity means, children, we have to say radians per second. Children, actually, this formula is not there for you in your syllabus. Even then, I am telling children, angular speed formula is theta by t. Angular speed formula is theta by t, children. Angular speed is theta by t. What is theta? 2 pi. 2 pi is 360 degrees. And what is the time, children? What is the time? 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes means totally 5400 seconds. Okay, children, it's not there in your syllabus. Forget it, children. Don't worry. Angular speed velocity, you will not get angular speed, angular displacement by time, children. Don't worry about that, children. It won't come for you. Next question. I hope everyone copied this, children. Did you copy? Shall I go to next sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This you need not worry, children. This you need not worry. All basic level sums, children. All basic level sums I'm telling you. Sir. Cheetah can accelerate from rest, means initial velocity 0, at the rate of 4 meters per second square. Okay, what will be its velocity after 10 seconds? Sridhar.
Yes, sir.
Connecting BUAT. What formula you have?
VU80, sir. U 1 by
V is equal to U plus 80 first one. S is equal to UT plus half 80
Plus
plus
one.
second one. V square minus U square is equal
is
to
equal
A
to
square.
2S.
So first one is this formula. Connecting BUAT, we have first formula. Tell me
Yes,
how
sir.
to do V is equal to
V is equal to U plus 80. U
Zero
is equal
plus?
to 0 plus A into 4 into 10. 40 meters.
in 10 seconds, cheetah will attain 40 meters per second speed. In 10 seconds, cheetah will attain 40 meters per second speed. Fifth question. Tanmay is there, Tanmay?
Yes, sir.
A fire shell is accelerated from rest with a velocity of 50 meters per second. 50 meters per second over a distance of 0.25 meters. Calculate the acceleration and next find the time. Connecting this all, which equation of motion we have? VUAS.
S equal
Hey, VUAS.
V
V
square.
square minus U square equals to 2.
V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Tell me how to do.
50 square minus 0.25 0 square into is equals to 2 into a into 0.5.
50 square is 2500.
2500.
2 into 0.25.
0.5.
Okay.
A equals to 2500 by 0.5.
If I remove this point, up 1 0 will come.
25,000 by 5. 5,000.
5000 meter per second square. Next is asking time. Next is asking time. Which formula you will use? Lahari? Lahari, if you want the time, which formula you will use? Lahari? We have u, you have v, you have a here. Which formula you will use? Srihita,
Sir, V is equals to U plus 80.
can you tell how to do? V is how much?
Sir, 50 is equals to 0 plus 5000 into T.
50 is equal to
50 is equals to 5000 into T.
T
T
is
is equals to 5000 by
50
50,
by
which is equals to 1 by
100.
100. Is equals to 0.01 seconds.
0.01 second. Next, Nandita,
Yes, sir.
a person is running along a circular path. A person is running along the circular path. At what point he changes his direction? If he covered half of circular path, what will be the displacement at each elliptical displacement? Okay, so question is, this is very easy question. No need to do this one. I will tell another one. An object is moving with uniform speed in a circle of. Second. So again, circular angular velocity formula is not there. 1 second. Yeah, Nandita, you tell this.
Yes, sir.
A racing car accelerates at the acceleration of 4 meters per second square. What distance will it cover in 20 seconds after start?
Sir, time is 20 seconds or 2 seconds, sir?
Yeah,
Sir, time is 20 seconds or 2 seconds?
time is 20 seconds.
Okay. S is equal to ut plus half at square.
S is
S is equal to half at square. S is equal to half at square. S is equal to half into 4 into half into 4 into 20 into 20 square. S is equal to half into 4 into 400. S is equal to 800 meters.
800. Next, Vivek,
Yes, sir.
a driver of train traveling at a speed of 40 meters per second. 40 meters per second.
Yes.
Applies brake and train comes to rest. Comes to rest with final
Basically.
velocity 0. Okay. After decreasing speed at the rate of 2 meters per second square, the platform is 400 meters long. Question is, will the train stop in time or not?
Yes, sir.
What is it? Tell in what time first you tell that. What is the time it will take to stop?
Time is equal to
Or else you tell me, see, you have to find out 400. We have to find out displacement. Tell me displacement. Yes.
yes, sir. S is equal to ut plus
Square
half
minus u
square minus u square is equal to 2a, sir.
Okay.
0 square minus 40 square is equal to 2 into 5, sir. So minus 1600 is equal to 4s, sir. S is equal to minus 1600 by 4, that is 400.
400. So exactly 400 meters it will stop. Platform is also 400. Will it
Yes,
stop
sir.
in time or not?
Yes, sir. It will stop in time.
Yes, it will stop in time. It will stop in time. Children, please keep copying children, everyone. Next, Yashasvi, are you there? Yashasvi?
Yes, sir.
A girl is running at an acceleration of. A girl is running at an acceleration of 2.5 meters per second square for the first 4 seconds. How far does she travel in this time? How far does she travel in this time? How far did she travel in this time? Can you tell which formula we will use?
So S is equals to ut plus half at square.
Can you tell how to do?
S is equals to 0 plus 4 into
0 into 4 plus
0 into 4 plus half into 2.5 into 4 4 square,
okay.
which is S is S is equals to half into 2.5 into 16.
Hmm.
So S is equals to
20 meters.
20 meters.
Okay, so girl runs 20 meters. Next, Saisha is there.
Yes, sir.
Some cyclist driving at a speed of 5 meters per second, initial velocity, attains a velocity of 10 meters per second over a distance of 50 meters. Okay, calculate the acceleration and time. First, tell me for acceleration, which formula you use?
Acceleration.
VUSA, which formula around 3?
V square minus U square.
Tell,
Is equals to 2as.
tell.
V square minus U square is equals to 2as. 10 square minus 5 square is equals to 2 into A into 50. 100 minus 25 is equals to 100. 75 is equals to 1000
0.75 meter per second.
meter per
Second
second.
square. Now, can you tell time? How to find time?
V is equals to ut plus 80, u plus 80. 10 is equals to 5 by 0.75 into t. 5 is equals to 0.75 into t. T is equals to 5 by 0.75. 500 by 75, which is equal
25 3 is that, 25 4 is that, 20 by 3 is how much?
16.
How much?
20 by 3.
6.67 seconds. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Snigdha is there, Snigdha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you remember this now. An aeroplane lands at 216 kmph and stops. Stops means final velocity 0, covering a distance of 2 kilometers on the runway. Calculate the acceleration. Covering this, which formula we have?
S is V square minus U square is equals to 2S.
Okay, tell me.
0 square minus 216 square is equals to 2 into A into 2.
This also minus we should pick because it is decreasing. So minus 216 into 216 is equal to A into minus 4. Bring this down. Yeah, how much? So 4 5 is 54 into 216. Whatever you do, that much kilometer per hour. Is there. Yeah, mute your audience. Varsha,
Yes, sir.
a racing car initially at rest. Who is? Mute your audios, children. Those who are not telling, mute your audios. A racing car initially at rest picks up a velocity of 180 kmph in 4.5 seconds. Calculate acceleration and distance.
S is equal to ut plus.
First, connecting this four, which formula you have? VUAT. Connecting which formula?
V is equal to u plus 80.
Very good. V is equal to U plus 80. But one small indication here. Please convert kph to meter per second.
Into 6.
Into 5 by 80. kph to meter per second. So this is 10. 50 meter per second.
Meters.
Tell me, 50 is equal to
50 is equal to 0 plus A into 4.5. 50 is equal to 0 A into 4.5. 50 is equal to A is equal to 50 by 4.5. A is equal to 500 by 45. A is
500
equal to 100 by 9.
11.01 meter per second. Now, how to find displacement? Hansika is there. Hansika? Yes.
Yes.
How to find displacement? S is equal to?
ut plus half 80 square.
Okay.
S is equals to 0 into 4.5 into 4 plus
Half
1
into
by 2 into
500 by 45.
100 by 45 into
4.5 square.
4.5 to 4.5
Half into 500 by 45
by
into,
45 into 4.5 into.
okay.
So
This cancel. This cancel. So
5
45 5 are 225 by 2.
225 by 2.
112.5 meter it covers. 112.5 meters it will cover. Okay. Okay. Children. So many sums numericals we have done, children. Remaining numericals we'll do tomorrow, children. Remaining so many are there. If you follow tomorrow, we'll discuss some more numericals. But today's science is enough. Thank you.